Hi students, welcome to Know Your Teacher. This is Dr. Narasimhamurthy, professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. So in this particular video, we will be talking about control systems, which is a common course in 4th semester for ECE, EEE, instrumentation and telecommunication students. This is my teaching and research interest. So I taught courses and engaged labs among these courses: control systems, analog electronic circuits, analog and digital VLSI courses, and I also taught linear integrated circuits and many other courses. My research interest is basically on microelectronics, and I also developed remote laboratories at Department of Telecommunication. So coming to control systems, this is a common course for EEE, ECE, EIE and ET students from last academic year. So it's a lab integrated course. It's a core course with lot of concepts filled in this particular course, and the lab involves doing simulations using MATLAB, LTSpice and other simulator tools, and this is a very important course in GATE preparation. Coming to control systems, so it's a very important course, and it's a multidisciplinary course which is being taught in mechanical and all electrical sciences course, and we'll be discussing mechanical, electrical and electronic systems, and there are few electromechanical systems also, and this is very crucial in predicting the outcome of a system. So in this particular control systems, we can actually predict the output of a system very effectively, and we will be discussing time and frequency response of the system. The systems can be very simple first order system to a complicated 6th or 7th order system, a complicated system. It can be a single block or it can be multiple blocks. It can have only one input, one output, or it can have multi-input, multi-output. So this is a very interesting course. Coming to syllabus of control systems, we again have 5 units in this. The first unit is modeling of the control systems, in which we will be writing the transfer function, and we are drawing the signal flow graph of given control system. Basically, we are going to have open loop, closed loop systems, and we will be identifying poles and zeros of the system, and basically we will be finding the transfer function of electrical, electronic circuits, and of course the mechanical systems also. The second unit goes with time response of the system. So it is from first to second order system, and the type of inputs can be starting from a very simple impulse step. It can be a ramp, it can be a parabolic input. So these are the type of time responses we are looking for a given system. And unit number 3 to 5, it's purely on the stability of the system, which is very crucial for system analysis. So it uses Routh-Hurwitz criteria, and these are the 3 important concepts of finding the stability. One is root locus, other is Bode plot, and next is Nyquist plot. And compensation techniques will also be discussed, which will actually give us how to improve the stability of the system by varying certain parameters of the system. And how will the course go? So as we know, we're going to have a WhatsApp group for basic communication and sharing the course material. We will certainly have a Google Classroom for academic progress monitoring, in which we'll be sharing all course material, textbooks, and all weekly task assignments will be exchanged here. And for support of understanding the course for better learning, we have more than 100 videos available in YouTube so that you can understand the course conceptually. How does this control system, it will be different. Of course, be ready for an experiential learning. Here, whatever we do, whatever we teach in the class, we're going to do the same thing in laboratory, either by using simulations or by using circuit diagram. And you will be having challenging tasks and assignments for learning the concepts. It's not simply do the same type of problems what we do in the classroom. It will be slightly challenging so that you can understand the core of it. And of course, you will get the answer for all the tasks with the proof of simulation or the experiment. And of course, it's very compulsory to attend the classes and the labs, because if you don't attend the class, you will miss out the concepts and you may get some marks, but ultimately you may just miss out the concepts by not attending the classes and labs. So what is this control systems all about? So it's all about open and closed loop transfer function. It's about poles and zeros. It's full of time and frequency response, whether the system is stable, unstable, whether it is oscillatory. We are looking at system gain, root locus gain, and what is gain margin, phase margin of the system, what is the overshoot time of the system, how much is the overshoot and what is the settling time, and how do we design the compensators. So we have a complete support of theory followed by the simulations, even the experiments also, which will make you understand the concepts very thoroughly. So hope to see you all in the class. Welcome to Control Systems. Thank you.